Okay, thanks very much. My boss obviously got the easy spot. He didn't get the graveyard shift after that very nice lunch. So I'll try and stay light and lively. So it's a great honour for me to be here today to help to present these prestigious awards on behalf of Phil Hope. As you've seen, he's very disappointed not to be able to come to make the presentation himself, but he is very, very heavily involved with the green paper at the moment, so he is certainly fighting the social care corner around the green paper and making sure that that's published on time. So I'm absolutely delighted to get the chance to understudy for him. The 25 teams whose success we celebrate today have done really fantastic work and made a real improvement to so many people's lives. When I looked at some of the words the judges had used, they'd used the words like ambitious, wonderful, innovative, creative, and impressive. And we can see through that work just how those schemes are really transforming people's lives. These projects are incredibly diverse, both in their approach and the range of people they aim to support, from people with dementia to young offenders, from young carers to people with eating disorders. It seems to me that every part of the community is touched by the work that you do in this room today. But now, no matter how diverse the projects, they all have one thing in common, and they are the work of talented, committed, and creative people whose one aim in their work is to do the very best they can for the people who depend on them for their care. And before coming into this post, I was a Director of Social Services, and for those that were receiving the services of Wolverhampton City Council, it wasn't my quality that mattered to them, it was the quality of the people that arrived on their doorsteps each day that was so important. And I think you in this room embody that in the work that you're doing that brought you here to this event. The categories of the awards make it very clear how we can make a difference. We recognise that training and development is crucial, which is why it's a key strand of the new adult social care workforce, which Phil Hope mentioned in his speech. The 6 winners in the training and development category show just what can be achieved by sharing knowledge to empower people. All of the 6 teams are doing excellent work, with social care traineeships being a corner of our new workforce strategy. We'll be looking to see what lessons we can learn from their success. We also know that user involvement is vital to providing the personalised care that is our aspiration. The work represented here, from health improvement through exercise to work with prisoners, just shows how effective success in this area can be. Imaginative use of money and allowing service users to decide how they want to see it spent are crucial to personalised social care. There are 3 projects recognised in the self-directed care category, which illustrate perfectly how the right support can result in greater independence and freedom for people using services, as well as helping to reduce hospital admissions and getting real value for money from the resources that are invested. The partnership working category brings to life some really effective partnerships which have delivered real improvements through their enlightened approach and flexibility. Pool budgets, data sharing, and excellent communication are just some of the reasons these 4 projects have had their work recognised. Last but not least, the early intervention category showcases some outstanding work with a whole range of different groups. The winners here have helped families, young offenders, and young people with learning disabilities, as well as older people recovering from illness. Their work illustrates very clearly that a stitch in time saves 9, and early intervention is far more effective than problem solving further down the line. The variety and quality of work we are seeing here today is overwhelming. And in conclusion, I'd simply like to say thank you to all of you for your dedication and imagination. You truly are transforming lives, so thank you very much.